Welcome to WebStarPlus. How to write a storybook with AI. Writing a storybook has become an easy and effortless task. Thanks to the artificial intelligence or AI, now you can generate entire books with minimal effort and sell them online. For instance, Amazon provides a lucrative platform to showcase and sell your literary creations. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to use ChatGPT for writing a book on any topic or subject. If your aspiration is to create educational books for children, this video is your perfect resource. Upon watching this video, you will acquire all the necessary knowledge to leverage AI, specifically ChatGPT, to create engaging children's books. Whether you are an experienced author seeking to streamline your process or a novice looking to dive into literary world, this tutorial will empower you with the techniques to realize your literary ambitions. Harnessing AI has never been simpler or more exciting. Let's begin this transformative journey into the world of AI powered book writing and see how to write a children's book with AI. We can start with generating book title and plot summary. Before the actual prompt, these few lines help a lot. Please ignore all previous instructions, do not self-reference, do not explain what you are doing. And here's our context or requirements. Book detail. The book revolves around a chipmunk named Charlie who secures a golden acorn as a prize for partaking in a quest orchestrated by the lion. Overwhelmed with joy at discovering this extraordinary treasure, he ultimately bestows it upon a needy rabbit. Language English. So, this is a very short summary of this story. These are our instructions. You are a top selling author of children books. Generate 10 book titles and a plot summary according to the context provided. Do not write the book, only write the plot summary of the book. Here is the suggested title for the book: Charlie's Golden Gift, the tale of a true hero. Here are the suggested titles and plot summaries. 10 variations. We can pick anyone from these. Golden Glory, Charlie's Grand Quest and Gift. And here is plot summary. Let's pick this one. Okay, now we will use the title of the book and book summary to generate book outline. To generate the book outline, we'll use this prompt. Please ignore all previous instructions. Do not self-reference. Do not explain what you are doing. Context, plot summary, language English. Here we will provide the plot summary. And here are our instructions. You are a top selling author of children books. Generate an outline for the book according to the context provided. The outline should have chapters with the title and a 200-word summary of the chapter. Do not write the book, only generate the book outline. Enter Chapter 1, The Call of the Lion. Chapter 2, Journey into the Unknown. Chapter 3, The Trials and Tribulations. Chapter number 4, The Golden Acorn's Glow. Chapter number 5, The Needy Rabbit. Chapter 6, The Greatest Reward. So we have got 6 chapters. Now we have got the book title, we've got book outline and the chapters for the book. Now we can use the chapter summary and plot summary to generate entire book. We have to generate chapter details one by one. For the first chapter, let's generate book chapter detail. Please ignore all previous instructions, do not self-reference, do not explain what you are doing. This is our context, plot summary, chapter summary, language English. And these are our instructions. You're a top selling author of children books. Write the entire chapter based on the chapter summary and according to the context provided. Do not write the entire book, only generate the text of a single chapter. So plot summary is this, and chapter summary from first chapter is this: The Call of the Lion. Alright, so generate the text for chapter 1. Chapter 1, The Call of the Lion. So first chapter of the book is ready. Chapter 1 is ready. You can expand further on this chapter if you want to. If it stops generating content, type continue and hit enter. ChatGPT will pick up from where it left off. So we generated chapter 1. Similarly, we can repeat the same prompt and change chapter summary to generate chapter one by one to generate complete book. Just provide the summary for the chapter and ask ChatGPT to expand on this chapter. Write the details for this chapter. Once you have all the chapters completed, you can copy all that text in a PDF file or Word document file. That will be the book that you intended to write. And now you are the author of that book. If you want me to share these prompts, just ask in comments. I will upload these prompts somewhere and share the link in video description. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.